Hi friends, welcome to TechStudy and T-SQL tutorial series. And let's go ahead and check in this video what is default constraint in T-SQL. Okay, the default constraint in SQL is used to specify a default value for a column when no value is explicitly provided during an insert operation. Here is an example illustrating how to use default constraint with insert statement data. Let's create a table called employees with default constraint on the department column. So create table employees. Employee ID is the primary key here. First name and last name is varchar 50 and department is a varchar 50. Default ID, if something we haven't provided the data, by default it will insert the data as a IT department. If we will provide explicitly whatever the department, it will insert this. What will provide the department, that department will insert the data to that column. Okay, employee ID has a employees table has a employee ID column as the primary key. Department column is defined with default constraint, setting the default value to IT. Now let's go ahead and insert the data. Few examples. Okay, as usual, use training database. Perfect. Already we have employees table. Let's drop the table. Okay, let's create employees table in training database. It's created. Now we are not providing the default value, so that data will, this will insert the data as a default value. We are not providing any explicit department, right? Okay, let's insert the data. Let's go ahead and check the data. Select star from employees. Okay, see, department is by default it's inserted as a IT department, right? Here we are inserting explicitly as a HR. Let's go ahead and check this as well. HR. Keep in mind we have passed the explicitly HR as the department. Let's go ahead and do select star from table HR. See, this is the difference between default constraint. Okay, so the first one, insert the record as a default department value ID because no value is provided for the department column. The second insert statement, a record which provided department value as a HR, which overrides the default value specified in the table definition. As I said, if we will not pass any values to the department column, it will by default insert as a IT department. Okay, if we will explicitly pass the department name, it will take that name and it will overwrite a default name and it will insert the data. That is the beauty about default constraint. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do like, comment and share it in social medias. Thank you so much. Bye bye.